Beautiful guys, animals collections, farm animals, different farm animals, little size animals, wild animals, sea animals. Beautiful guys, animals collection this video. So let's get start this video. So guys, first farm animals, little size opening. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, little size farm animals, high quality animals. So one by one. Okay, so guys, first figure guys, fox. Beautiful look guys, fox design is so nice figure guys, fox. Amazing and realistic guys, beautiful figure guys, fox. Beautiful figure guys, fox, amazing look. Wow, so side this guys, fox. And guys, next animals, next. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, donkey. Amazing guys, beautiful figure, donkey.
Hey dude. Good ice cream.
Little size donkey, amazing look. Wow guys, very nice look guys, donkey. So side this. And guys, next figure guys. Wow guys, god, beautiful look guys, god figure, amazing guys, realistic little size god figure. Design is so nice. So side this guys. And guys, next guys, oh my god, dog, beautiful look guys, little size dog, amazing look guys, realistic dog figure, beautiful. So side this guys, dog. And guys, next figure guys, next. Oh wow guys, horse, beautiful look guys, horse, amazing guys, look, horse. Design is so nice guys, beautiful look guys, horse. So side this guys, horse. And guys, next figure guys, next. Cow guys, black white combination is really awesome figure guys, cow, black white combination guys, very nice look guys, cow. And yellow combination, so side this guys, cow. And guys, next figure guys, next sheep. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, yellow sheep, look is very nice guys, yellow sheep design. And is so nice figure guys, yellow sheep, look is very nice. So side this sheep. And the next guys, next. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, chicken, amazing guys, design, chicken, beautiful look.
And I absolutely love it.
Look guys, chicken figure, realistic, amazing design, chicken. So side this guys, chicken. And next guys, next duck, beautiful look guys, white red combination guys, very nice look guys, duck figure. Amazing and realistic guys, dog figure. So side this. And guys, next guys, wow guys, beautiful look guys, pig, very nice guys, little size pig figure, amazing guys. Realistic back look is beautiful. So side this guy's pig. And guys, next figure, next cock, beautiful look guys, cock figure, amazing guys, color combination is really beautiful guys, cock. So side this guy's cock. And next guys, and last, wow guys, beautiful look guys, swan, amazing guys, this design is so really amazing. So side this, and guys, wow, so beautiful. So side animals little size. So side this pouch, and guys next wild animals, beautiful. Look guys, wild animals. So open wild animals. So first figure guys, open. Oh my god, chimpanzee guys, very nice. Look guys, chimpanzee. Design is so nice. Figure guys, chimpanzee. Look is very nice guys. Design is so beautiful. Chimpanzee. So side this guys, chimpanzee. Chimpanzee side this, and guys side this animals, and guys next giraffe. Beautiful. Look guys, giraffe figure, amazing guys. Realistic giraffe. So open pouch. Wow guys, very nice. Look guys, giraffe figure, amazing guys. Big size, really beautiful guys. Giraffe figure, realistic, amazing figure. So side this guy's giraffe, and next guys, next, wow, greater flamingo, beautiful. Look, so open pouch. Wow guys, very nice. Look guys, greater flamingo, look is amazing guys. Really beautiful. Amazing, awesome. Look guys, design is so nice. Figure guys, greater flamingo. So side this, and guys next figure guys, oh snack, beautiful. Look guys, snack design is so beautiful. So open pouch. Wow guys, very nice. Look guys, snack design is so beautiful. Wow. Wow, design is so really amazing guys. Snack, very nice. So side this guy's box, snack, and guys next figure open. Next animal figure, zebra horse guys, very nice. Look guys, zebra horse, open pouch. Wow, color combination is really good. Black white combination guys, very nice. Look guys, zebra horse. Amazing design. So side this guys, zebra horse, and guys next figure guys, next open, rhinoceros guys, beautiful. Look guys, rhinoceros. So open pouch. Wow guys, very nice. Look guys, rhinoceros design is so amazing. Figure
Rhino.
guys, realistic, amazing rhinoceros. Wow, so side this guy's rhinoceros, and guys next figure guys, snow leopard, beautiful. Look guys, open pouch. Wow guys, very nice. Look guys, snow leopard design is so cute animals. Snow leopard. Wow guys, beautiful. Look guys, snow leopard. So side this guys, snow leopard, and guys next figure guys, deer. Wow, open pouch. Wow guys, very nice. Look guys, deer, amazing and realistic guys, beautiful figure, high quality finishing deer, amazing. Wow, so side this guy's deer, and next guys, elephant. Wow guys, beautiful. Look guys, elephant. So open the pouch, elephant. Wow guys, very nice. Look guys, black elephant design is so amazing. Amazing and realistic guys, beautiful figure guys, elephant. So side this guy's elephant, side this box elephant, and guys next figure guys, pangolin, beautiful. Look guys, pangolin figure. So open the pouch. Wow guys, very nice. Look guys, pangolin design is so amazing and realistic. Back look is beautiful guys. pangolin. Wow, amazing guys, look is very nice guys, pangolin. So side this, and guys next figure guys, lion. Beautiful, look guys, lion figure. Wow, open pouch. Wow guys, very nice, look guys, lion design is so amazing guys, realistic lion figure. Design is so beautiful. So side this guy's box, and guys next animals. So fun figure. Wow guys, fox. Beautiful, look guys, fox design is so nice figure guys, fox. Really amazing guys, design is so beautiful, look guys, fox. So side this box guys, beautiful built animals. Wow, high quality built animals. So next guys, wow guys, beautiful, look guys, farm animals. Amazing guys, farm animals box. Wow, so open. Wow guys, beautiful, look guys, farm animals. So side and one by one. So open guys, first figure. Wow guys, beautiful, look guys, Scott figure. Amazing guys, realistic guys, Scott figure. This design is so nice guys, Scott. Beautiful look guys, back look is amazing guys. So side this guy, Scott. And guys next figure guys, next cow, black white combination guys, very nice look guys, cow. Back look is amazing guys, design is so nice figure guys, black white combination guys, cow. So side this guy's cow. And next guy's figure, swan. Beautiful look guys, white red combination, amazing swan look, design is so nice figure. So side of this guy's swan figure. And guys next figure guys, next sheep. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, sheep, white and red tight neck combination guys, very nice look guys, sheep. Design is so amazing guys, look is realistic. So side this guy, sheep. And next figure guys, wow, beautiful look guys, roster. Amazing look guys, roster, white black red combination guys, very nice look guys, roster, amazing design. So side this guy's roster. And guys next figure guys, next open the box. Oh wow guys, beautiful look guys, horse, amazing guys, high quality beautiful figure, horse. Design is so nice figure guys, horse, really beautiful. So side this guy's horse. And guys next figure guys, next chicken, amazing guys, look beautiful look guys, chicken figure, design is so nice guys, wonderful look guys, chicken. So side this guy's chicken. And guys next figure guys, next dog. Wow guys, really amazing figure guys, dog. Beautiful look guys, dog figure, realistic, amazing guys, design, dog. So side this guy's dog. And guys next figure, next opening. Wow guys, beautiful boundaries. Wow, boundary, big size and little size boundary parts, this animal's box. Wow guys, so side this boundary parts. And guys next figure guys, wow guys, very nice look guys, big size donkey figure, amazing and realistic guys, farm animals donkey, amazing.
Huh? Oh no!
Amazing color combination. So side this. And guys next figure guys, Sheep, beautiful look guys. Sheep design is so amazing guys. Really beautiful look guys. Sheep
Wow.
design is so nice figure. So side this guys sheep. And next guys, next, wow, horse guys, beautiful look guys. Horse, amazing look. Red black white combination guys, very nice look guys.
Wow.
This horse design is so beautiful. So side this guy's horse. And guys, next figure guys, wow guys, very nice look guys. Dog design is so amazing guys. Realistic dog figure. Color combination is so amazing. So side this. And the next guys, cow, beautiful look guys. Little size cow, black white combination guys, very nice look. Back look is amazing. So high quality finishing cow. So side this cow. And guys, next figure guys, peacock, beautiful look guys. Peacock figure, amazing design and really amazing design. Beautiful figure, peacock. So side this. And guys, next figure guys, wow guys, beautiful look guys. Chicken, beautiful look guys. Cock, amazing look guys. Cock design is so beautiful look guys. Black red combination guys, very nice look guys. Cock. So side this guy's cock. And guys, next figure guys, duck, beautiful look guys. White red combination, amazing look guys. Duck. Duck figure is really wonderful. So side this. And guys, next box, wow, tree and parts, what do you call it? So wow, tree and pots. So side this box, wow guys, beautiful farm animals. So next guys, wow, little size built animals. So open the box, little size built animals, amazing and realistic. So open the box, wow. So one by one. So guys, first elephant, very nice look guys. So cute elephant. Little size cute elephants, amazing look guys. Wow, very nice design. So side this. And guys, next guys, leopard guys, beautiful look guys. Leopard design is so amazing guys. Realistic leopard figure design is so wonderful. So side this. And next guys, next figure, lion guys, beautiful color combination is really good guys. Lion, amazing. So wow guys, beautiful look guys. Lion. So side this. And guys, next figure, rhinoceros, black rhinoceros design is so amazing guys. Realistic beautiful figure guys, rhinoceros. So side this guys, rhinoceros. And guys, next figure guys, tiger. Wow guys, beautiful look guys. Tiger figure.
You might want to hold it.
Wow, red black combination, amazing look guys. Tiger. So side this guys, tiger. And guys, next figure guys, deer, beautiful look guys. Deer, amazing guys. Color combination is really beautiful look guys. Deer. So side this guys, deer. And guys, next figure guys, gorilla, very nice look guys. Gorilla figure, amazing guys. Design is so nice figure guys. Black gorilla, look is beautiful. So side this. And guys, next figure guys, giraffe. Beautiful look guys, giraffe figure. Amazing look guys, giraffe. Design is so amazing guys, really beautiful like guys, giraffe. So side this. And guys, next figure guys, hippopotamus. Beautiful look guys, black hippopotamus. Design is so nice figure guys, black hippopotamus. So side this. And guys, next figure guys, zebra horse. Very nice look guys, zebra horse. Black white combination guys, very nice look guys, zebra horse.
Wow.
So side this. And guys, next figure, bear. Red bear. Beautiful look guys, red bear. Design is so amazing figure. Guys, red bear. So side this guys, red bear. And guys, next, wow, well the animal spots. And next guys, camel. Beautiful look guys, realistic, amazing look guys, camel design. And is so beautiful. So side this. And guys, tree. Beautiful look guys, build animals tree. So tree and paws. So wow, side this. So wow guys, beautiful. So next guys, sea animals. Build animals, sea animals. So open the build animal farm animals. So open. Wow guys, very nice look guys, cow. So open. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, big size cow. Black white combination, back look is amazing. High bed animals, cow is really amazing. Back look is beautiful look guys. Wow guys, very nice look guys, cow. Design is so amazing. So side this guys, cow. And guys, next figure guys, wow guys, very nice look guys, chicken. So open the pouch. Wow guys, very nice look guys, chicken. Design is so amazing. Guys, really beautiful look guys, chicken. Wow, amazing look guys, chicken. So beautiful. So side this guys, chicken. And guys, next figure guys, peacock. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, peacock. So open the pouch. Wow guys, very nice look guys, realistic peacock figure, amazing, high quality, beautiful designing peacock figure. Back look is amazing guys, design is so nice figure guys, peacock. So side this guys, peacock. And next figure guys, sheep. Beautiful look guys, sheep. So open pouch. Wow guys, very nice look guys, sheep. Design is so amazing guys, really beautiful look guys, sheep. Wow. Design is so nice figure. Wow, yellow sheep, yellow red white combination sheep. So side this guys, sheep. And next guys, wow, god figure. Beautiful look guys, god. So open the pouch. Wow guys, very nice look guys, god. Design is so amazing guys, really beautiful. Color combination is so beautiful. So side this guy's god. And next guys, cock. Beautiful look guys, cock figure. So open the pouch. Wow guys, very nice look guys, white red combination guys, very nice look guys, cock. This design is so amazing guys, really beautiful look guys, cock figure. So side this guy's cock. And guys, next figure guys, horse. Wow guys, beautiful big size horse. Open. Wow, amazing look guys, horse, high quality furnishing look guys, horse. Design is so amazing. Amazing guys, really beautiful. Look guys, horse. So side this guy's horse. And the next figure guys, next pig. Wow guys, beautiful. Look guys, pig. Look is amazing guys. Pig, so open. Wow, beautiful. Look guys, pig figure. Amazing guys, really beautiful. Look guys, pig. Design is so beautiful. Look guys, pig. So side this guy's box. Wow, beautiful farm animals. Amazing guys, farm animals. And next guys, she animals. Wow, sea animals. So side this and one by one. Okay, so first figure guys, crocodile guys, very nice. Look guys, red crocodile. Amazing. Look guys, design is so beautiful. Crocodile. Wow. So side this guy's crocodile. And next figure guys, spider. Beautiful. Look guys, little size spider. Amazing design and beautiful. Look guys, spider. Wow guys, very nice. Look guys, spider. So side this. And guys, next figure guys, tortoise. Wow guys, really amazing figure guys. Tortoise design is so beautiful. Back look is very nice guys. Tortoise. Wow, so nice figure guys. Tortoise. So side this guys, tortoise. And guys, next figure guys, wow, yellow cobra snake guys, very nice. Look guys, yellow cobra snake. Design is so nice figure guys. Yellow cobra snake. Wow, back look is good. So side this. And the next figure guys, ant. Beautiful. Look guys, big size ant. Wow, color combination is really beautiful guys. Ant figure. So side this guys, ant. And guys, next figure guys, Belarus. Beautiful. Look guys, Belarus. Design is so amazing guys. Really beautiful figure guys. Belarus. Wow, red Belarus. So side this Belarus. And guys, next figure guys, wow, lizard. Beautiful. Look guys, lizard, yellow red combination guys, very nice design. Lizard, amazing and realistic beautiful figure guys. Lizard. So side this guys, lizard. And guys, next figure guys, wow, cobra snake guys. Beautiful. Look guys, cobra snake.